Hello everyone, Funke Oyende here with this lovely tutorial and training on making this beautiful paper dahlia. I'm going to be using cones that I've already prepared. These are my cones from golden paper. I have two sizes now, and I'm going to be using this cardboard base for my flower. My cardboard base measures about 11.5 inches wide. That's the diameter of my cardboard, and this paper is also the same size as this. I want to use this to cover this so that I will have a very good finishing, and this other one will not be showing underneath my flower. So let me quickly cover the cardboard base with glue before we start. So you can see the glue I'm using UHU, and I'll also be using my hot glue gun. So I'll put this on the base to cover it so that it blends very well with my flower by the time we start making the flowers. Okay, so that's our base. We're going to be arranging our cones on this base. Now my cone, the way I made these cones, I just started with a rectangle like this, measuring 6.5 inches long, 5.5 inches wide. I folded it in two like this, and if you like, you can draw with your pen the shape of your cone. You can draw it like that, and then you cut it out with your scissors. That's it. So then after that, you fold it into a cone. One more time, you put your glue on one side, one corner of your petal like that, and you glue it down. You roll this in a little bit, you roll it in and glue it, and you have your cones formed. But one other thing I did, though it's optional, was that I marked the edge of my petals with this black marker, just to give it that painted edges. But like I said, it's optional. You can use your petals like that without the marking. So now that's how I arrived at my cones. These are the 6 inches by 5 inches rectangle. These ones are smaller. I use 4.5 inches long by 3.5 inches wide. So now I'm going to start arranging my cones on my round base. So you just apply your glue, and then you begin to glue down. So you push your cones in a little bit, and you begin to glue all around. So I'm done with the first row. Now we will now go to the second row and begin to glue down our petals one after the other. The second row is going to be a little bit inside than the first one. You hold it down a little bit for the glue to stick very well, to dry, because I'm using UHU now and not the hot glue gun that sticks very quickly. Okay, so that is the end of the second row. We're going to go to the third row now, and we will be using the smaller cones for the third row. This one is
So this is the last.
so this is the last one for the third row. So we now go to the next row, or we use another way to finish the center. So we've come to the end of the third row now. This glue starts sticking on there.